AI and ML, Lecture 1.1, Part 1. Hello everyone, welcome back to Codewala. I hope all of you are doing great. If you want to learn Python, artificial intelligence, and machine learning from absolute scratch, then you've come to the right place. This course is specially designed for complete beginners. It doesn't matter whether you're a school student, a college student, preparing for placements, or simply curious about AI. We'll start from zero and gradually move towards advanced AI concepts. Before writing our first Python program, let's first understand the roadmap of this course. Think about it. Whenever you travel to a new city, what's the first thing you do? You open Google Maps because you want to know your destination and the route you'll follow. Learning programming is exactly the same. Before we start coding, it's important to understand where this course is going. This course is divided into 12 modules. We begin with Python Essentials, where you'll learn the fundamentals of Python programming. Then we'll move to Python for AI and machine learning, followed by SQL, which helps us work with databases. After that, we'll study NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data analysis, and data visualization using Matplotlib and Seaborn. Next comes probability and statistics, which forms the mathematical foundation of machine learning. Once our basics are strong, we'll learn classical machine learning followed by deep learning, generative AI and prompt engineering, RAG, AI agents and MCP. And finally, we'll build and deploy a real world AI project. Every module depends on the previous one, so don't skip any lectures. Now let's understand three very important terms that every programmer should know. The first one is algorithm. An algorithm is simply a step-by-step procedure to solve any problem. For example, if you want to make a cup of tea, first boil the water, then add tea leaves, add milk and sugar, stir properly, and finally serve it. These steps together form an algorithm. Notice that we haven't written any code, we've only planned the solution. The second term is programming. Programming means converting that algorithm into instructions that a computer can understand. Computers don't understand English or Hindi. They understand only binary language, which is made up of zeros and ones. That's why we need a way to communicate with them. This brings us to the third term, programming language. A programming language acts as a bridge between humans and computers. Some popular programming languages are C, C++, Java, JavaScript, and Python. Every language has its own purpose. C and C++ are widely used where speed is important. Java is commonly used for enterprise applications and Android development. JavaScript powers modern websites. Python dominates artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, automation, and many other fields. Now you might be wondering, why are we learning Python instead of any other language? There are two simple reasons. First, Python is extremely easy to learn. Its syntax is clean, simple, and almost looks like normal English. This allows beginners to focus on understanding programming concepts instead of struggling with complicated syntax. Second, Python has an enormous collection of libraries. A library is simply pre written code created by other developers that we can use in our own projects. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch make Python the first choice for artificial intelligence and machine learning. So let's quickly revise today's lecture. We understood the complete roadmap of this course. We learned the meaning of algorithm programming and programming language. Finally, we discovered why Python is the world's most popular programming language for AI and machine learning. In the next lecture, we'll understand Python syntax, explore Google Colab, and write our very first Python program. So don't miss it. If you enjoyed this lecture, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Codewala, and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming Python and AI tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.